Sir, what was stated was that the cabinet system of the government was sought to be stifled, the institution of judiciary was sought to be tempered and cramped. Stop. And it was also said that the entire parliamentary system was sought to be totally negated by us. Stop. And in the ultimate analysis, he proceeded to concentrate on the erosion of the authority of the Chief Election Commissioner. Stop. But I never expected from the mover of the resolution, whom I had heard a little, that he would go to the extent of saying that actions that we on this side are seeking to resort only to negative parliamentary democracy. Stop para. Sir, I do not know what he meant by a big phrase of stifling the cabinet system of the government by us. Well, phrases could be coined, but the realities must speak for themselves. Stop. I was trying to understand from him as to whether he was going to paraphrase his expression so that I could meet it squarely on the points that he would put forth. Stop, I must say, and I will say with a little authority that is at my command, that on no form did we try at any point of time to stifle the cabinet system of government in this country, and I am on record, sir, in this house itself, when the debate did crop up twice on the basis of the statement of one ex chief minister and the other chief minister, that I had categorically stated that there was nothing, so far as this government was concerned, to think in terms of the presidential form of government. Stop para. Notwithstanding my statement, a person who is a part and parcel of the present government, or a person who is a spokesman of the government apparatus of the day of the mover of the resolution, would still like to do a little bit of idle flying on the basis of some of the statements of persons who do not have their own contribution in the formulation of the policies of the government of India. I cannot help it. I beg to leave the matter there if he wants to use it, and he has used it by way of a spice in his argument. That is a matter for him to test it and see how much it tests. Stop para. As far as we are concerned, we did not, and I should say that so far as our leader is concerned, at no point of time did she either encourage or speak in this issue at all. Stop. If you would like to read too much, if you would like to believe only in the false and wrong propaganda Nobody can help you in the matter. Stop. You are to express yourself or repeat like a parrot. Whatever you would. Stop. I would not like to answer on what I have already said on this issue. Sir, a very vague expression, an expression which could perhaps attract the attention of some of the intellectuals and also the newspapers, namely tempering of the judicial independence was also raised. Stop. I am not sure I would have made a little inquiry which I did not. I must frankly confess that it was merely a propagandist approach. Raise the issue and say whatever you like. Stop para. The appellant calls in question his conviction under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code 1860, hereinafter referred to as the IPC for short by the High Court. Originally, the appellant was accused number 1 before the trial court. Accused numbers 2 to 4 were his parents and his brother. Stop. They were altogether charged with offence under section 302. Read with section 34 of the IPC. Stop. This is besides being signature not verified charged under section 498A of the IPC.